Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the Flashforge Adventurer 5M and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Let's see which one of these will make you the Da Vinci of the 3D printing world. First up, let's talk price. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M will set you back $399, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 is more budget-friendly at $299. Reviewers often mention that the Ender-3 V3 offers great value for its price, making it a solid choice for those watching their wallets. However, some users feel that the extra $100 for the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is justified given its features and ease of use. Speed is another crucial factor. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M boasts an ultra-fast 20,000 mm per square second acceleration and a max speed of 600 mm per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Reviewers love its quick setup and fast printing capabilities. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 isn't far behind, with a top speed of 500 mm per second and 8,000 mm per square second acceleration. While it may not be as fast as the Flashforge, many users appreciate its balance of speed and precision. When it comes to print quality, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M promises a perfect first layer every time thanks to its full auto, one-click leveling and vibration compensation. Reviewers have praised it for producing smooth, ghost-free prints. The Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, with its precision-focused design and dual fans for fast cooling, also gets high marks for its print quality. However, some users have reported issues with infill patterns and a shaky gantry, though many find the overall quality to be worth the price. Ease of use is another important consideration. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is noted for its simple setup, allowing users to go from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly software and ease of use. The Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, with its upgraded all-in-one design, also makes setup straightforward and includes features like phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive options. While both are user-friendly, the Flashforge's reputation for being beginner-friendly gives it a slight edge. Finally, let's look at special features. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M includes a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, heating up to 200 in just 35 seconds. Reviewers find these features particularly useful for avoiding printing mishaps. The Creality Ender-3 V3 also has these features, but adds a CR touch sensor for auto-leveling and a high-configuration Sprite direct extruder. These added features make it a favorite among users who want a bit more from their 3D printer. Overall, reviewers find the Flashforge Adventurer 5M to be a great entry-level option, praised for its ease of use and reliable performance. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is appreciated for its value, speed, and added features, although some users have reported issues with print quality and tech support. So, there you have it. Flashforge Adventurer 5M, the speedster with reliable performance, or Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, the budget-friendly, feature-rich option. Both have their strengths, and you can't go wrong with either. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and keep it smart.